In today's lesson, we'll be learning about rate of change and initial value with a focus on diagrams. If you recall, a linear relation is really just a pattern. They can be represented with an equation y equals ROC multiplied by x plus IV, where ROC represents rate of change and IV represents the initial value. Take a look at the diagram below. There are 4 figures, which form a pattern. Figure 0 has 17 blocks. Figure 1 has 13 blocks. Figure 2 has 9 blocks. And figure 3 contains 5 blocks. Visually, you'll notice that 4 blocks are removed each time. Numerically, you'll notice that the number of blocks decreases by 4 each time. That brings us to the question, what is the rate of change and what is the initial value? Well, the initial value is 17, since that is the initial number of blocks, whereas -4 is going to be the rate of change. We can now represent this pattern with an equation. Instead of writing rate of change, we can write -4. And instead of writing initial value, we can write 17. Therefore, this pattern can be represented with the equation y equals -4x plus 17, where y represents the number of blocks and x represents the figure number.